Hi guys, good morning. So welcome to our next tutorial. So in this, we will see how to open camera using implicit intent. So that we will see. For this, I'm creating here one new project. So I'm creating new project with name of implicit. So I created an implicit with Kotlin. So once this project has created, we will see here now. So here I'll take one button. So once I click on button, just I'll open the camera in our mobile. So how we will see here. So for that here I'm changing this layout to linear layout. So in XML, we will change the layout as a linear layout. So then we'll apply data binding. So this I'm changing as a linear layout. So linear layout. And these are the properties of constant layout. So I'm removing that. So here I'll change this as implicit example. So then here we will give the orientation. So that is Android orientation equal to vertical. So I'm giving as a vertical. Then we will apply here as a layout. This is for data binding. So data binding is applied. Okay, here it is a first small again. So linear. So now we will drag and drop one button here. So that button name we will change as a open camera. So open camera. So this I change as a camera. Okay, now so we applied the data binding right here. We will add the data binding here. So I'm enabling data binding. Data binding enabled equal to true. So click on sync now. So once that syncing is done, here we will apply the binding. So where binding equal where binding. So what is the name binding will create? Activity main binding. So I'm filling nullify condition here. So then here we'll apply this binding equal to. So data binding it will up. So like this will apply. So here I'm clicking on this. So this also we can import activity main binding. Activity main binding. So activity main binding import is completed. Now here I'll apply the listener for the button. So that is button binding dot cam dot set on click listener. So set on click listener. Now here we will apply. So here we need to add this right context. So done. So now within this listener, now we need to write the code for the open camera. So how to open this camera here is, so for that, here I'm creating some var cam equal to, it's just I'm defining the intent. So intent of, so here what we need to, so media store dot action image capture. So then start activity of, yeah. So now we will run this and we'll see this output, then we'll go with the next step. So it is running. Meanwhile, I'll open the visor. So this is the visor. Now we will see this output. It is installing. Now I'll open this. See, now I'm clicking on this. See, automatically the camera is open. So this is how we are opening the camera using Implicit. Thank you.